Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is lethargic. It is pronounced lethargic and spelt Lethargic. Think let, ha, and then Gic. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Lethargic means someone or something that is sluggish, drowsy, and lacking energy. It's a good way to describe someone who is slow-moving or lacking enthusiasm. For example, you could say, the boy was lethargic and lay on the sofa all day. Or, after a big meal, I often feel lethargic and just want to rest. The word lethargic comes from the Greek word lethargos, which means drowsy. Its meaning remains the same today. In the children's book, Where the Wild Things Are, by Maurice Sendak, the main character, Max, is portrayed as being lethargic and uninspired in his normal life before embarking on his journey to the land of the wild things. Synonyms for lethargic are sluggish, drowsy, and lacking energy. Antonyms for lethargic include energetic, active, and lively. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, lethargic. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.